What? Interstellar Navigation College? This is not science fiction, not a movie scene. It is a formal academic college under the University of the Chinese Academy of Sciences. Does that sound outrageous for you? Do you think it teaches people how to fly spaceships? In fact, it has already laid out a task roadmap for the next 100 years. What does it feel like? For example, going to the far side of the moon to listen to the echoes of the Big Bang, traveling to the sun's polar regions to learn from the artificial sun project, or even scouting a few light years away to find a backup hard drive for human civilization in advance. In short, the energy sources, navigation systems, and destinations of interstellar spacecraft are all being planned. But the first fundamental question is, where does the power come from? There is only one answer: mastering the power of the sun. That is controlled nuclear fusion. China has already built an artificial sun on Earth that has achieved stable operation for more than 1,036 seconds. Although far from commercial yet, it is now researching the miniaturization of the artificial suns to serve as future power sources for interstellar spacecraft. The second question is more philosophical. Where are we going? Earth's resources are limited, competition is intense, and conflicts never truly stop. Humanity has always had two missions. One is to build a home on Earth, and the other is to search for a new home. So the Interstellar Navigation College has another plan: to look for Earth 2.0, to buy humanity an interstellar reborn insurance. The final question is the most practical one: how do we survive? The universe is a dark forest, filled with deadly radiation, high-energy particles, extreme gravity, and unknown dangers. To venture into space, we must understand the physical laws of the universe and turn those extreme physical rules, ones that do not even exist on Earth, into the shells and propulsion systems of our spacecraft. But the Chinese people just bragging. Let me give you an example. China has the Three North Shelter Belt program listed in the Guinness World Records as the world's largest afforestation project. Planned from 1978 to 2050, it spans 72 years and is divided into 3 steps, aiming to restore the ecology of an area roughly half the size of Europe. It has now been underway for 48 years, with more than 300 billion trees planted and 2 phases completed already. Many areas that used to be deserts have now become forest parks. You may not believe it, but my friend, you can double check by yourself. So tell me, does a 5,000-year-old civilization have the ability to make long-term plans and carry them out? Is the Interstellar Navigation College real, or is it fake? What do you think?